Hello, Aluxer. Congratulations on taking your first step toward learning this valuable new skill. We created this course as an experience, a journey we will take together, which by the end will most likely change the way you experience life, or at least that's the goal. Thousands of hours were spent putting together this course for you to have the best possible learning experience. We stripped everything to the bare bones and kept only the most useful aspects to make the most out of your precious time. If you don't know anything about meditation and you were interested enough to pick up this course, we made it really easy to both familiarize yourself with meditation and get started. By the end of this module, you'll have your first meditation session, and it will be amazing. Before we begin, here's why meditation is so valuable.